I'm gonna be looking at the regulations, rules, and equipment for basketball. The equipment is very simple. It's a basketball hoop, basketball shoes, vests, and shorts. Basketball shoes are very important because they have an ankle support, which will help the players not injure their ankle. The basketball court. The basketball court has a length of 28 meters and a width of 15. What are the rules and regulations? So, in each team, there's 12 players, and there can only be 5 at each time playing in the court. And you can make as many substitutions as you like. So, what's the objective? The objective is to put the ball in the opposing team's basket. So the team that scores the most points will win the game. The game consists of 4 periods of 10 minutes. In European basketball, it's 10 minutes, but if I was looking at the NBA, it would be 12. But now I'm doing the European. So if the scores are tied, there must be an overtime of 5 minutes, and this will be played until a team gets more points than the other at the end of the 5 minutes. Now we're looking at the shooting. So how to score points basically, and what is the point system. So a basketball from near the basket inside the 3-point arc is worth 2 points. If a basket is scored, if you score from the far, this is beyond the 3-point arc, is worth 3 points. This will be the hardest shot. And if basket scored from the free throw line is worth 1 point. This is one there is a foul and you get a free throw line. What is the circumference of the ball? The circumference of the ball must not be less than 749 millimeters and no more than 780. In a woman's match, it is from 724 millimeters to 737. So how do we move the ball around the court? So the ball can be passed from one player to another. It can also be dribbled by a player from one point to another. What should you do before passing? So before passing or shooting the ball, the player has to make 2 steps without dribbling. So you have to make 2 steps before shooting. So if you don't do that, it's called a foul. So once the team is in possession of the ball, and you pass the half court. So if, for example, the ball passes and your feet as well, you can't go back. You always have to go to the opposite basket if you pass the halfway line. When a team has the possession of the ball, they have 24 seconds to attempt the shot. If they don't, the ball is given to the other team. Personal foul occurs when there is an legal contact between 2 opponents. So, and if a player makes more than 5 personal fouls, he is excluded from the game. If a team do more than 4 fouls in a period, every additional foul will result in a award of 2 free throws.